Today, we'll be exploring something called Grok 1.5 Vision. Now, that might sound like a robot sidekick from a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a significant step forward in AI technology. Imagine an AI assistant that can not only understand what you say but can also see what you show it. That's the power of Grok 1.5 Vision, a groundbreaking new type of AI that can process both text and images. Think of it like a superpowered friend. You can show it to Grok 1.5 questions in plain English and even show it pictures, and it can understand both. Here are a few examples. See and explain. Let's say you find a funny meme online. You can show it to Grok 1.5, and it can explain the joke to you.
Explain this meme.
The image is a humorous comparison between startups and big companies. On the left side, labeled startups, there is a group of people working together to dig a hole. They are all actively participating, and the hole is already quite deep. On the right side, labeled big companies, there is a group of people standing around a hole. However, unlike the startup side, only one person is actually digging the hole, while the others are watching or engaged in other activities. The humor in this image comes from the exaggeration of the differences between startups and big companies. In startups, there is often a sense of urgency and everyone is expected to contribute directly to the task at hand. In contrast, big companies are often depicted as having more bureaucracy and less direct involvement from all team members in every project.
Maybe you're curious about a scientific diagram. Grok 1.5 can analyze it and break it down for you.
Can you translate this into Python code?
The flowchart you've provided describes a simple guessing game where the computer generates a random number, and the user has to guess it. Here's the Python code that represents the logic in the flowchart. This code will run the guessing game as described in the flowchart. The user will be prompted to enter their guess until they guess the correct number.
Help with everyday tasks. Need to convert a table from a document into a format your computer can understand? Grok 1.5 can do that in a snap.
Please convert this table to CSV.
The table in the image can be translated to CSV format as follows.
Or, maybe you're cooking and want to know how many calories are in a dish. Grok 1.5 can analyze a picture of your food and give you an estimate.
How many calories are there in 5 slices of this?
Grok responded.
If one serving size is 3 slices and contains 60 calories, then 5 slices would contain approximately 100 calories.
Or, maybe your child drew a picture and you want to turn it into a bedtime story. Grok 1.5 can use its imagination and craft a story based on the drawing. Testing everyday situations. The research behind Grok 1.5 Vision introduces a concept called real-world QA. Think of it as a pop quiz for AI models, testing their understanding of everyday situations. Here are a few examples. Traffic troubles. Picture yourself stuck in traffic, unsure about the upcoming lane markings. With a camera feeding the image to Grok, it could potentially answer questions like where can I go from here? It might analyze the lane dividers and offer options like turning left, going straight, or even a combination depending on the situation. Object recognition challenge. Imagine you're driving and see another car with limited space in front of it. You might wonder, can I safely switch lanes and pass the car in front? Analyzing the distance between the vehicles, Grok could potentially answer with a simple yes or no. Dinosaur directions. The research also mentions a question about a dinosaur's direction based on a picture. By analyzing the image, Grok could identify the dinosaur's pose and potentially tell you if it's facing north, south, east, or west. Grok 1.5 Vision is being developed by a company called XAI. The development of Grok 1.5 Vision is a big step forward in the world of AI. The development of Grok 1.5 Vision isn't happening in isolation. However, the key takeaway is that Grok 1.5 signifies a strong contender in the field of multimodal AI. Grok 1.5 marks a turning point for AI assistants, paving the way for them to better understand and interact with the real world. The possibility of an open-source release, similar to Grok 1, could further accelerate advancements in this exciting area. While still under development, its capabilities and the direction of research hold immense promise for the future. In upcoming videos, we'll explore other exciting aspects of AI and how it's transforming our world. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this exploration of Grok 1.5 volts has sparked your curiosity about the future of AI. If you have any questions about AI, leave a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos like this one.